Okay, so now to the intersection of two planes. Righto, so if two planes intersect, then, well, they can there's only one outcome possible, and that is that they will intersect in a line. If you can imagine two planes bumping into each other, try to draw a picture here, then this is a line of intersection. Really impossible for two planes to do anything else other than obviously be parallel to each other. If they're not parallel, they'll intersect, and if they intersect in a line. So our job is to take the equations of two planes and to find the intersecting line that is created when they meet. So here's an example, and we've been asked specifically to produce our equation in this form so that we can get from it a point that's on that line and also the direction of that line. Okay, so let's get to work. We have two equations. We have 2x minus y plus z equals 1. 2x minus y plus z equals 1. All right, that's my equation 1. I've got x plus 2y. X plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. That's my equation 2. So there's not a unique point of intersection here. We're going to get a line of intersection. Now, right, what's our method? Well, we had a clear method up here for finding the intersection of two lines, and that was there. So I'm going to talk through a similar situation here. We're going to firstly we're going to eliminate z. In this case, we're going to eliminate z. Now we could eliminate a variable. We're going to eliminate one of our variables, then we're going to eliminate another one, and we're going to have quite a specific step-by-step process. But I'm going to say let's eliminate z. All right, and then let's go back to the start, and then let's eliminate y. In both occasions, we'll be left with x, and we're going to make x the subject of both of the results of those. So, all right, I'll just step over here, and we'll talk about the method. All right, so the method is we're going to eliminate y. Eliminate z. Right, by using our elimination method, and I think we're going to just add the equation 1 and equation 2. You can imagine we'll just have an equation in x and y, and after we've done that, we'll make x the subject. Make x the subject. Okay, so we're going to go through this process in a moment. That's step 1. Step 2 is eliminate. Right, after we've eliminated z and made x the subject, we're going to eliminate y. And we're going to do the same. We're going to make x the subject. Now at this point, we'll have x as the subject of two equations, which we can then make equal to each other. And we're just about there. So let's see how this works then in practice. So eliminate z. Well, we can do that by adding equation 1 to equation 2. 1 plus 2. So when we do that, our result is 3x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, now when we've got that, we're going to make x a subject. So x is equal to 1 minus y over 3. Okay, that's the first job done. Now I'm going to go back. We're going to eliminate y now. So going back to the original first two equations, what should we do? I think we should multiply equation 1 by 2 and then add 1 and 2. So we're going to go 2 times equation 1 and then we're going to add equation 2. All right, so 2 times equation 1 gives me 4x. I'm going to then add equation 2, so that gives me 5x. 2 times equation 1 gives me negative 2y. Add 2y. Y's have been eliminated. Success. 2 times equation 1, 2z. Add equation 2, negative z. That is just plus z. 2 times equation 1, 2, plus equation 2, 0. So that gives me 5x plus z is equal to 2. Make x the subject. X is equal to 2 minus z over 5. So what I have, actually, just to keep it on the same structure, x is equal to 2 minus z over 5. Okay, so now I have two equations where x is the subject, so I can make those two equations equal to each other. And so therefore, I have, well, I've now got the full-on equation because I've got x equals 1 minus y over 3, which equals 2 minus z over 5. So I'm just about there. I just need to rewrite this so that I've got, I can see what my what a point on the line is, and I can also see the direction it's heading in. So I need to rearrange this. This is going to be y minus 1 over negative 3, and this is going to be z. This looks like a t there. It's a z minus 2 over negative 5. Z minus 2 over negative 5. Right. So therefore, that's the equation of the line. Right. So this is the equation of the line of intersection. So we've achieved our aim there, is the equation of the line of intersection of the two planes, and so therefore we can see that 0, 1, 2 is a point on the line, and 1, negative 3, negative 5, 1, negative 3, negative 5 is a vector parallel to the line. So that is the direction that the line is heading in, is a vector parallel to the line. Now you could also write that is the direction vector of our line of intersection. Okay, so exercise 11Q, we've only done the first question. Now we can do question 2, we can do question 3, and we can go all the way through to question 6. So questions 2 through to 6. Okay, cheers.